Hello friends, welcome to Anglicon. Let's have fun singing and learning English together today.
Red, red, I see red. Red, red, apple, red heart. Red, red, I see red. Clap your hands, red. Blue, blue, I see blue. Blue, blue, sky so blue. Blue, blue, I see blue. Wave your hands, blue. Green, green, I see green. Green, green, leaves are green. Green, green, I see green. Step your feet, green. Yellow, yellow, I see yellow. Yellow, yellow, sun so yellow. Yellow, yellow, I see yellow. Turn around, yellow. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
Thanks for joining us today. Keep having fun and learning English. See you next time.